Hello everyone, so we have here today is a Hampton Bay Bridgeton ceiling fan made by SMC. No, this isn't the one from 3 or 4 years ago. I just got this from my uncle yesterday, who has that Kmart swirly vent thing that looks like a white star and then the CEC Newport. This was in the kitchen. I will leave a link to the video in the description, but this is a major childhood fan. Like, this is as childhood as it gets, because I remember this thing from way back. But yeah, it's I was always missing these screws. I remember one time, the blades were off it for one point. I don't know why. Yeah, it was missing a screw. It wasn't on the ceiling when it was up last time. But thankfully I have the screws from my old SMC Bridgeton, so I'll just steal one of those when I'm back at my dad's house. Yeah, I don't have the bulbs that used to be in it, unfortunately, to give it the same effect. It was a little dirty. This fan was in like the dining room. It was in the dining room, like dining room kitchen. It's, you know, one of those connected dining rooms and living rooms. This one does have a 4-blade, 5-blade motor in it. I'm using mounting brackets here because I don't have my tripod. So, this is what we're going to do for now. Yeah, here's the light. I'm happy this fan didn't get thrown away and it's now in my possession. Yeah, let's go to low. Oh, it's in reverse. There's low. Yeah, the other SMC Bridgeton I had like 3-4 years ago, I don't have it anymore because one of the wires broke on the reverse switch. I didn't know how to fix it then, so I just parted it out. Yeah, here's low. So the Bridgetons, they had many different variants of these because they had the SMC, the CEIs, because there's the ones with those with the C brackets, the brackets that these have. There was the carousel 2 brackets, and then there was those like interesting brackets. They kind of look like like an ornate kind of bracket, but without the ornate. And they came in antique brass, which is pretty rare. White is also really rare, just plain white. The most common finishes were white and brass, and then bright brass, but there wasn't many in bright brass. Here's medium. Here's medium. But yeah, my uncle recently redid his kitchen, and this fan's just been sitting in the garage for me, and I took it home yesterday. Still goes great, just like it always has been. For a little 42-inch fan, this thing goes great. Pretty sure this is the SMC one. You can put 4 and 5 blades on this. Some of them, you can only install them with 5. There's high. It does wobble a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's because of the box that I installed up there. I think it might be a little loose. So it shouldn't be wobbling like that. Because the low profile wobbled and the Walmart impressions wobbled a little on this. I feel like all my fans, it's been on this box, wobbled a little. I'm just super happy to have this fan, because my uncle said as soon as he would, renovate the kitchen, I'd get this fan. logo. It's pretty yellowed. Here's the light, and here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.